When considering health benefits, the types of meat you choose can play a significant role in your overall diet. Lean meats such as skinless chicken breasts or turkey are excellent sources of protein while being low in saturated fats. This helps maintain muscle mass and promotes heart health, making them staples in nutritious meal plans. Fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and mackerel, are another powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish support brain function and heart health. They provide anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating fish into your diet a few times a week can have a profound impact on your well-being. For those who include red meat in their diets, opting for grass-fed beef, bison, or lean cuts like sirloin can be healthier choices. These meats are often lower in fat and higher in beneficial nutrients such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Incorporating small amounts of red meat while balancing it with plenty of vegetables can create a satisfying and nutritious meal. Regularly consuming high-quality protein sources fuels the body, supports immune function, and aids in recovery after workouts. In conclusion, the best types of meat for optimal health benefits include lean poultry, fatty fish, and selective red meats. Emphasizing variety and quality in your protein choices ensures you reap the health rewards while enjoying delicious meals. Making informed decisions about your meat consumption is a step towards achieving a healthier lifestyle.